TV Cribs, is that you? Come into my apartment. It's your girl Mami Tiff. If you can't hear from the echo, I am in a new apartment. So this is going to be an empty apartment tour. I moved to a different building in DC. I've graduated college, secured that full-time offer, so let's get into it. So when you start over here, this is actually the main door that you guys just came through. Right here is just like basically the cloak closet, so we don't have to see what that is. There's the bathroom, which you'll see later on. And then into the kitchen, as you can see, I have dark finishes, which is actually very nice. I would never thought I would like dark finishes, but I love the charcoal gray. I love the way that this wood tone is, and just this black tile. Girl, it's giving. I have GE appliances, stainless steel. So we have the fridge here, maybe a little French door coming up, you know, we'll see. Here's the oven, electric, microwave, and then here's the sink. The sink has like one of those detachable in different settings. So yes, very nice, very looked. And then they gave me this beautiful setup, the building here. I can't tell you what it is because I can't tell you where I live. But this was just so cute. This place is so welcoming, and the community here, I'm so excited. And then here is the dishwasher. And then here is the pantry. Pantry's very nice. As you can see, we have food in it already because we went grocery shopping. Listen, it's empty-ish, you know what I'm saying? But yes, that's the kitchen. The countertops I think are like a black quartz, but don't quote me on that. And now let's go into the living room. So this living room is actually a lot bigger than my last living room. I don't know if you guys noticed, but you probably can't since I didn't do like a full apartment. Actually no, I did do an empty apartment tour. But this one's a lot bigger. I'll probably actually end up having the couch here on this wall, and then the wall facing, I'll have probably the TV. And then my view here is actually some construction because the area in DC that I'm in is actually still being developed. There's supposed to be like a lot more apartment buildings and other things going on, but I do have a partial water be okay getting to it. I like that a lot because I just wanted to be closer to nature. I love being in the city, but I also like being surrounded by nature. And so having this water here, it just gives a completely different like feel. Like my last apartment, I was really on the main street like of Washington, DC. Like, so this is just a calmer feel, and I'm so excited about it. So the next thing we're gonna go into is the bedroom. Here is where I would just control like my air conditioning and heat. And then let's go to the bedroom. So the bedroom here is very spacious. It has a pole in the middle of it, but I actually like this because it's going to allow me to separate these two sections. So I'm thinking about putting my desk here, you know, so I can see the water and say, hey girl, you know, that's just so motivating. You know what I'm talking about? And then over here, I'll probably have like a cute little seating area. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. We'll see. And then I'm thinking about having my bed actually on this wall, and then across from me again, the TV. So yeah. And then as you come over here, inside of my room is the walk-in closet. Now let me tell you, the walk-in closet, when you first walk into it, has washer and dryer. Why don't we do this everywhere? This makes sense. Like why is this not a traditional American thing? I'll never understand. But I love how this place actually puts the washer and dryer in the closet because it makes sense. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and check out damn near the second bedroom. No, I'm kidding, it's just the walk-in closet. Come. Okay, so as you guys can see, this walk-in closet is very big, very echoey. Like literally this could be my second bedroom. No, but for real, just like truly blessed to even have this right now. But there's plenty of shelves, plenty of space. I have so many different ideas for this. But right now I have all these shelves here. I'll probably do some like more research on IKEA, but I'm definitely gonna change the lighting in here just because it's too yellow and there's no windows. So, and I'm gonna probably be recording in here for different videos. So I'm gonna try and see if I can get like a white LED light in here, but like honestly, this was like a huge selling point for me. So yeah, behind door number 3 is the bathroom. So as you guys can see, I have great sink space, well, great counter space next to the sink, and I have a plethora of storage underneath. Love that I have these pull-out drawers. I didn't have that in my last apartment. Over here's the toilets. They have a towel rack here, and then these are like 2 like over the toilet shelves, and they're glass. I love that. I'm probably gonna put my skincare up there, you know. And then here is the shower slash bath. I'm so glad, okay, so glad that I have a bath. This tiling is very cute. Love this cute little turquoise feel. As you guys can see, we already have the shower curtain up because we took a shower here last night. It's fine, mind your business. And then here is another towel rack. Yes, that is indeed what it is. But love this bathroom. This bathroom is so cute. Again, loving the dark finishes. Okay, and so then pretty much it. And then we're back out to the beginning of the apartment again. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Honestly, y'all, like, it still hasn't hit me yet that this is my apartment. I just feel so blessed. Like, God has lined everything perfectly up for me to just be able to graduate on time, child, to be able to secure a full-time offer. I'm just like so blessed to even be in this building. And to have all of these access to this beautiful apartment, and the amenity spaces are just insane, which you'll see later on, you know, if you stay tuned, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. So, but yeah, if y'all want to, you know, see more of this apartment and see my journey here, then make sure to stick around. But for everyone who's already been in the family, you know, for a while now, y'all have seen me grow from literal dorm to now apartment. And so if you've been here for that long, thank you guys for supporting me, because y'all know it's been a journey. With that being said, as always, don't forget to like, comment, and